Introduction to data packets.
Data packets are small, manageable chunks of information that carry your data, like emails, photos, or website content, across the internet. Instead of sending files in one large piece, devices break them down into these packets, which travel independently. This method allows for faster, more reliable transmission, ensuring that information can move efficiently from one place to another, even across vast global networks.
From device to router.
When you send or request data online, your device first breaks the information into packets. These packets are sent to your local router, the gateway to the internet in your home or office. The router checks the destination address for each packet and forwards them to your internet service provider. This is the starting point for their journey across the global network.
Traveling through the network.
From your router, packets travel through a series of devices called switches and routers. Each router checks the packet's address to decide the best next path. Packets often move along different routes depending on network traffic and efficiency. This process is repeated at each stop, helping packets find the fastest way toward their destination, whether nearby or continents away.
Crossing the internet's backbone.
The backbone networks are high-capacity cables and infrastructure that connect cities and countries. Data packets may cross undersea cables, satellites, or fiber optic lines during this stage. Large backbone routers keep directing packets along optimal paths. Even if packets take separate routes, they're guided to converge at the destination, ensuring the data remains intact and complete.
Arrival and reassembly.
When packets reach the destination server, like a website or cloud service, they are collected and checked for errors. The server reassembles the packets in the correct order to recreate the original data you sent or requested. If any are missing or damaged, the server asks for those packets to be resent. Finally, the complete information is delivered, ready for you to access.
Why packet switching matters.
Packet switching makes the internet resilient and efficient. If one path fails, packets automatically find another route, minimizing delays. Splitting data into packets allows for flexible routing, faster speeds, and continuous connection even during heavy traffic. This technology keeps our global internet reliable, enabling everything from streaming videos to browsing websites with ease.